Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to withdraw your earnings from the Nikilive app. Whether you are streaming or engaging with content on the app, Nikilive makes it simple and fast to get your money. So let's jump right into it. First off, Nikilive processes withdrawals super quickly. Once you've gotten to the minimum withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw it in just a few clicks, and the funds will be credited to your account in no time. Now let me show you the complete process, starting with choosing your preferred withdrawal method.
Nikilive offers a variety of withdrawal options to choose from, including bank transfers, e-wallets, and cryptocurrency. No matter where you are, there is always a withdrawal method that works for you.
And here is the best part. Nikilive supports withdrawals in over 100 countries and regions worldwide, making it incredibly easy for users from all around the globe to access their earnings. Now let's go ahead and walk through the process. I'll show you exactly how you can withdraw your earnings quickly and easily. First, I'll select my preferred withdrawal method.
I'll go with my cryptocurrency wallet for this example. Now I've earned $150 plus from streaming on Nikilive, so I'm going to withdraw that amount. I'll confirm the amount, and just like that, the withdrawal request is processed. As you can see, it's incredibly simple. In just a few steps, my withdrawal is being processed, and within minutes, the funds will be in my USDT account.
Now let's check the balance. There it is, $150 successfully added to my USDT account. Super fast and super easy. So if you want to start earning and withdrawing your money quickly on Nikilive, register and start now. Don't wait. Download Nikilive today, start streaming, and make money while having fun. Click the link in the description to get started now, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more money making tips.